So next two functions are getC and putC. GetC, putC functions are the file handling functions in the programming language to read a character from a file and display the value or write to a file. So getC function and putC function. This is a small code. While C is equal to getChar not equal to end of file, that means getChar is to get a character from the user. So when using keyboard, when a user enters a particular character, that is saved in C, and while it gets a character, putC CF1, that particular character is returned to a file pointed by the file pointer F1. So while C is equal to getChar putC means each and every character entered by the user is returned to the file pointed by the file pointer F1. And this is a loop, and this continues till end of file is reached. And end of file or EOF in Windows system, end of file is Control Z. Whenever the user press Control Z, that marks the end of the file. So till that Control Z, whatever characters entered by the user will be returned to the file pointed by the pointer F1. This code gets a character from the user using getChar and writes to the file pointed by F1 using putC. Similarly, getC character is used to read a character from the file. So while C equals getC F1 not equal to EOF. So while we try to write a character to a file, we need to fetch it from the user. For that we used getChar. And while getChar not equal to end of file, we used putC to save it in a file. Now this is the opposite. We are trying to fetch a character from a file. For that we use the function getC. So getC of F1 not equal to end of file. We need to print it to the screen. So printf %cc. So this is from file to the screen we are trying to print. In the last case, from the console or from the keyboard, what is entered from by the user, that is being written to the file. So getC is used to get a character from the file and then that is printed to the screen. So getC and after that printf. And in all these cases, in most of the file handling functions, we use a pointer for the particular file and that will be given as argument. So getC F1 means a character has to be fetched from the file that is pointed by this point. And EOF stands for end of file. So now let's check a program with putC and getC. So this is a program to read a character from a file using getC and to write a character to a file using putC. Okay, so first step is we have this file star F1. This is we are declaring a file pointer and then we are generally giving a print as say data input, and then first step is opening a file. So F open, it is a function to open a file. So F open input.txt and first we have to write to the file. So the mode is W for write mode. And after that, now F1 is a pointer that points to the text file, say input.txt. So first step is to write a character. So to write a character to a file, first we need to get the data from the user. So for that we use getChar. Okay. So while it's like equal to while C not equal to EOF. So this is equivalent, but that assignment is also given along with this. So while C is equal to getChar function not equal to EOF. So this is the same. C not equal to end of file. While it is not equivalent to end of file, that has to be written to the file, and that is putC F1. F1 is the pointer to the file. So that particular character, if that is not end of file, that character has to be written to the file pointed by the pointer F1. And each and every time the character has to be fetched. So that's why we give like this, while C equals getChar function not equal to end of file, putC CF1. So these two steps are used to read each and every character entered by the user and is written to the file. Then F close F1 means that particular file is closed. Then For us to see, we just give a print as data output and again opening the file in read mode. Now all these characters that user entered will be saved in that file. So now what we are doing is while c equals get c of f1 not equal to end of file, printf %c. So to read a character from the file. Okay, so to read a character from a file, what we have to do is we use getC function. So here to write a character we have putC function and to read a character we have getC function. So while C equals getC, getC is to get the character from the file, getC of f1 the file pointer not equal to end of file EOF. What has to be done? Print. It has to be printed. So printf %c C, because C is the variable where the character is saved. And both these are while loops. So as long as end of file is reached, the characters keep on entering to the file, or in the second case, it will keep on printing to the screen using printf. So in both these cases, they are given as loop. So each and every character will be entered by the user will be saved to the file, and later from the file each and every character will be fetched and printed on the screen. So this is a very simple example of how to write a character to a file and how to read a character from a file. Let's check the output for this code. Data input, we just gave a print as data input, and first step was getChar was given. So let's give some characters, say welcome. So each and every character is taken. So when I type W, that is printed to the file. Then E, again using getChar, the second character is taken, and then using putC, it is given to the file. Third letter L, again that L is saved to C using getChar, and then that that L value that is returned to the file using putC, like that, because this is done in a while loop. So I'll give something like welcome to programming. We are discussing file handling. Okay, and we can write any number of characters, but to show the end of the file, you can give Control Z. Okay, so Control Z. Now data output was again a print was given. Then welcome to programming. We are discussing file handling. So till Control Z, Control Z marks the end of the file. So till that, what all character we entered, that was saved in the file, and then using getC, each and every character is taken from the file and printed using printf. Okay, so this is earlier what we do is using getS we take a string, and using putS we print the string. So here when we see the output, it is something similar to that, but here files are involved. Here instead of getS, what we are doing, using getChar we get the character, and using putC you saved all those characters in a file, and then file was closed. Here again that file was opened. Using getC, each and every character was taken from the file and printed using printf. So this is the output for this program. So opening the file, using getChar, get the value from the user till end of file is reached, that is till Control Z is entered by the user. Then for each and every character it is a loop. Each and every character is putC, using putC that character is returned to the file pointed by the pointer. Then closed that file. Then we just give a printf, then again opening the same file, and we are reading each and every character from the file pointed by the same pointer f1. Then whenever you get each character in while loop, we print it in the screen using printf. Here putC is used to write a character to the file, and getC is the function used to enter or read a character from the file.